Hi and welcome to the Bouclème Back to Basics series. I'm Tahira and today we'll be going back to basics on how to condition and detangle coily hair. Don't forget to check out my other videos where I go back to basics on cleansing, styling and refreshing. I'll leave the links in the description box below. Now let's get started on conditioning and detangling.
So I always like to detangle my hair while I'm still in the shower because the steam from the bathroom helps to ease my tangles out, and I love to go in with the Bouclème Intensive Moisture Treatment because it's such a rich and creamy deep conditioner. It has a lot of slip and it saves me a lot of time when I'm detangling my hair. So I split my hair off into 4 sections and then I work the conditioner through one of the sections at a time, and here I am just working it through my hair right from the roots all the way to the ends, trying to get every single strand, and I just work that through my hands and then I split off into another section here, and this will make it easier for me to detangle my hair using smaller sections. So once I get this section out of the way, I go back to the small section that I have and I just continue working the product through my fingers and easing through any tangles that I can feel just through my fingers at the moment. I don't introduce any tools at this point. I just ease all the tangles out with my fingers, and then I add a little bit of more conditioner if I feel like my hair needs it, or some water if I feel like my hair needs that too. Once I feel that most of the tangles are gone, I just use my fingers like they're a comb and I just practice kind of like combing it through, and then I go in with my Bouclème detangler and I start from the very ends of my hair and I just gently tease all the tangles out. I don't go right from the roots, I start from the ends and I gently work my way up, and if I feel any snagging then I'll stop, but I just use this to gently work my way up, and once the brush has gone smoothly through my hair, I'll twist up that section and I'll pin it away, and then I'll get on with another section and do the exact same thing. So here I am just working through another section, and again I'm just using my fingers at this point just to tease any of the tangles out, and then I go through with the brush at the very ends and I slowly, very slowly work my way up to the roots eventually after I've eased out all the tangles at the ends of my hair. And I really take my time with this. There's absolutely no rush. I take my time just to ease all of the tangles out with the brush until the brush runs smoothly through my hair. And again, once I'm done with that, I twist up each section, and that is just to prevent that section from tangling up again, and then I pin it away whilst I work on the other sections. So I'm just working on the front of my hair now, and I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm just working my way all the way up to the roots, and then eventually I will twist that section up just to keep it from retangling, and I will pin it away. And I end up leaving this conditioner on my hair for around about 10 to 15 minutes. What I tend to do is I put the conditioner on and then I'll have a wash. So I'll wash my body in that time, and then I end up leaving that on for around 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing that out again. So this is what it looks like when I'm all done with all my sections. I should have all my sections pinned up, and I've obviously got about 8 sections because I worked in subsections. Then when I'm ready to rinse out, I just take the pins or the clips out and I rinse in the twists, and that way my hair stays tangle free. And the best way for me to tell that the conditioner is all the way rinsed out is I just give my twists a little gentle squeeze or pull, like you can see that I'm doing here, and I just check to see that the water runs clear after I finish. So I just give them a gentle little squeeze and I check that the water's running clear. So my final step in my conditioning routine is just to unravel each of my twists one by one, and I go in with a small amount of the intensive moisture treatment, maybe like a 5p piece size, and then I add it to the lengths of each twist, and then I twist back up. And I do this in the shower because my hair absorbs moisture best in humid conditions, so this preps my hair for the styling process and allows my hair to absorb all of the product that it needs to. And that's my conditioning routine.
I really hope this video has helped you. Don't forget that you can shop all of the products that I've used by checking out the links in the description box below. If you're just starting your natural hair journey, or perhaps you're new to using Bouclème, then the 30-day kits are a great place to start. They offer a full routine as well as a saving of up to 39%. Don't forget to check out the rest of the Back to Basics series. We cover everything from washing all the way to refreshing. You'll find tips for curls, coils and waves, so you can just check out the video that's best suited towards your curl type. If you do have any further questions, please drop them in the comment box below, or you can email us directly at info@bouclème.co.uk.